Imagine standing at the crossroads of opportunity and risk, where every decision could lead to financial freedom or devastating loss. In the world of real estate investing, particularly in wholesale deals, the stakes are high, and understanding how to analyze these deals is crucial. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to navigating this complex landscape? We are GrowthSense.com. We built a platform that allows investors to buy, sell, and invest in real estate properties of all kinds, in all shapes, and in all conditions. Let's get into the key strategies that will empower your journey. Number 1. Market research and trend analysis. Knowing your local market is everything. Focus on property values and demographic shifts to spot opportunities. Keep an eye on neighborhoods that are growing or revitalizing, as they often promise the best investments. Regularly check local news and online platforms like Zillow or Redfin to track recent sales and price changes. Number 2. Property valuation. Estimating the after-repair value, or ARV, is a game changer. Compare sold properties in the area to establish a realistic ARV. Make adjustments for differences in size, condition, and location. Don't just rely on online figures. Visiting properties gives you insights that data can't capture, like neighborhood appeal. Number 3. Repair cost estimation. This can make or break your deal. List all necessary repairs and gather quotes from multiple contractors. Break costs into categories: structural, cosmetic, and systems, to clarify your budget and prepare for negotiations with sellers. Number 4. Seller motivation assessment. Understanding why a seller is selling can give you leverage in negotiations. Sellers in financial distress may be open to lower offers for a quick sale. Ask open-ended questions during conversations to uncover their true motivations and tailor your proposals accordingly. Number 5. Building a buyer's list. A strong buyer's list is crucial for success in wholesaling. Identify rehabbers and landlords looking for discounted properties through various marketing channels like social media and real estate forums. Network at local investment groups to connect with serious buyers ready to act quickly. Number 6. Deal analysis tools. Utilizing tools like the 70% rule simplifies your deal evaluations. Subtract repair costs and desired profit from the ARV to determine your maximum offer price. Clear formulas help you remain objective, reducing emotional decision-making during negotiations. Number 7. Legal and contractual considerations. Navigating legal requirements is key to avoiding complications in wholesale transactions. Ensure you have a clear purchase agreement with essential clauses and familiarize yourself with local laws regarding wholesaling. Consulting a real estate attorney can safeguard your investment and build credibility with sellers. Now, picture this. You've done all the groundwork, analyzed the market, assessed repairs, negotiated like a pro, and understood the legal landscape, but just when you think you're ready to close the deal, a hidden title issue surfaces. What do? Watch out for unexpected hurdles that can derail your plans. For more insights on finding profitable wholesale deals and maximizing your investments, visit GrowthSense.com. Our platform offers valuable market data and streamlined listings tailored to help you identify lucrative opportunities in distressed properties. Don't miss out on the chance to elevate your real estate investing game.